What's up, world? Back at it again, you know. Another day trying to get this money. So this is my this is my paper trading account. As you can see up here, I passed my eval, so I don't really have a reason to be trading that. I'm just trading this for practice and just, to get better. Practice. That's what makes the difference. So here we are, just trying to get a little bit better. Anyways, man, I just can't seem to just make a line, If I do horizontal line, it's too long. It's just like, I don't want all that. I wanted to be shorter chart template, maybe, I don't know. I gotta find a different way. Anyways, this is the 15-minute candle. I'm just gonna do what I usually do, and that's this. This is the 15-minute opening range. So it kind of, if it breaks out of here, it kind of suggests that it will likely move in a certain direction. So yeah, so it's kind of retesting here. Let's kind of pull back. Let's see. Yeah, let's go 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hours got to say. All right, so we've got this point here. Curious, should I move it? I'm gonna move it here, and then kind of just pull it this way. It will show us where the next point of direction is. While I'm here, let's create another one. You know what I mean? Got some pivot points. Just checking out my key levels. These are key support levels. So as you can see, we're overall bearish. We're coming down. So that's higher low. So we got a higher low here, and then we have another higher low here with a serious structure created. So I'm curious, like long-term wise, are we gonna see like this coming up week where we kind of go back up here, create a structure down here, something like this, and go higher. This would be changing character right here. This move right here would be a change in character. So that's like, you know, it's a possibility. Or do we just keep, do we just go up here, retest, and just keep selling off, Or we could just go sideways. There's really 3 moves. So that should be interesting, This is a 4-hour time frame. I don't really need to trade. I just want to see. I just want to sharpen the iron. You know what I mean? It's like, just want to get better. This seems like a support, right? Pull this down slightly lower. This seems like a pretty good support, if you ask me. This seems like a good support. I got created another support here. Created another support here. It's creating a higher high. A higher low. Lower high. Man, I'm fucking special sometimes. A lower high. I think it's gonna create a lower high maybe here. I don't know, but this is also a very bearish flag. We went up here, we tested this pivot point. So, I don't know. Just gotta let it do what it do. That's an hourly. I kind of like to just see what the big picture is, Try to make sense of it. Once it makes a move to the upside or downside, then we'll know if it's a lower high here or it's just, higher low and then another higher low. Okay, let's get back to the 15-minute. It's 9 o'clock. This is a new 15-minute candle. That seems very bullish. But it's like previous. And on top of that, the market isn't particularly active today. We're open until I think 11 something. And let's check out the news. What does the news have to say? There's no US related news, so we're cool there. Let's see. Okay, we're breaking out of the 15-minute range, opening range right there. This purple line, and we got a pivot point right there, kind of there as a resistance now because we broke below. So this could be an interesting take. Let's retest it up there. It's just like it's been a bearish move. It's been bearish. So it's an interesting area. Are we gonna retest up here? Possibly. Alright. Now let's check out the 2-minute. We could see a pivot. We could see a push up to VWAP. What is that? 20 points? Possibly. Man, why is it doing this? Who drew this? I don't know that. It's not supposed to look like this. Here we are. Dealing with BS. Whatever. I know what it's supposed to do. That's what matters. Alright, it's retesting the 21 EMA on the 5. It's looking good. Oh, my camera. I gotta like look at it at a certain angle, you know. Okay. Hey, this joint looks like it just wants to keep going. We got a new 5 coming up. All right, depending on how this 2-minute closes, I might take it. Let me see. Let's see what this does. I think it's gonna sell back down. Might give me a better opportunity to get here. I'm on my prime, bitch. Not really. I'm a young guy. Alright, we got a bullish flag there. Maybe close above, so I didn't get in. Because I thought it was gonna, the initial push up wasn't there. It wasn't aggressive enough for me. There we go. That looks better. Mind you, I'm just trying to take the right trade.
Shopping with your parents can be embarrassing.
Why would they sell jeans with holes in them? I'm going to speak to the manager.
Mom.
That hoodie is giving. You should get it. YOLO.
Thanks to the Chase mobile app, your kid can shop independently while you keep an eye on their spending. So you can go from
We can be twinsies.
to
How was shopping? Saw you stayed on budget.
Thanks, Mom.
freedom for kids, control for parents. That's family banking from Chase.
Okay.
Stady, I saw that you stayed on budget. Thanks, Mom. There, we got a nice pull back. Yeah, but we ain't trying to get into trouble now, are we? I might take this for a bounce off of right there. Maybe a little bit lower. I mean, it broke 80. What are we waiting for? It's a new 5. Might just let it develop a little bit more. I think we could see 70s. Yep, there we go. 73. I'm gonna enter right here and have my stop loss like right there. Let's see how this joint goes. But I like that setup right there. A new 2. Maybe I'm a bit early, but let's see, what's the goal here? I'm certainly sure that I'm not gonna get a 30-point move, so maybe 10-pointer. maybe. Yeah, 10 pointer should be possible in this market. So we're gonna look for a 10 pointer, which is $200. A quick $200 move. Depends on how it closes, but okay, we look good. We look good. We look good. We're gonna break through. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I think we still got pour. I think we still got a little more to give. Come on. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. Come on. I know you want to. But I'm just gonna push it right there. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's struggling. It's struggling. It's struggling. Oh, it's struggling. You know what? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. All right. So we took 165 right there. We took 165 on that trade. See that? It was struggling. It was struggling too much. It was struggling too much. It didn't have the power. So let's see what happens here. Are we gonna see a reversal? We got a bearish flag on the 2-minute. On the, looks like we're gonna sell, but we're gonna wait. Let's wait. Let's give it 4 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes. All right, up 165. I might catch something big here, or I might get caught. So I'm thinking maybe a bearish move down. One of the reasons why is because it's being rejected up here, the 21 EMA. You got the 9 EMA rejection, and up here we retested the 11 EMA. So yeah, it's a possibility. It looks like we're selling off. We're selling. Let's see. The only thing I don't want to do here is get caught with my hand in my pants, you know, where I enter. Let's say I entered here, and the next 2-minute candle, it pushes high up here, and it wipes me out here, because that would be where my stop loss is. I don't want to be in that position. So we're gonna wait for the new candle. I'm gonna wait for the new candle to create, retest up here, and I want to enter here. I mean, I want to enter somewhere here, and I have my stop loss maybe up here. Yeah. Somewhere there. We got a new 5. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to push up, maybe take it at the 770s, or it might go up to 780s, which is up here. Let's see what the vibes is. Okay. Patience, young Skywalker. Patience. Oh, there we go. Retest up there. We're gonna take it. We're gonna go for a short. And yeah, we're gonna keep it like this. Okay, maybe we entered a bit early. That's what I was talking about. But overall, not too bad. I'm not mad at it. it's good. I think it might just take some patience, you know. This is what it's looking like on the 5 minute. We got this bearish setup right here. We're below. We broke below the 9 EMA and 21. So it's and we broke below this opening day 50-minute range, and we got the pivot point. Like, there's a lot of variables in place right here. It doesn't mean it won't fucking push up. It just means that the probability is we pull down here. So yeah, I just want to actually learn and just hold my trades as well. That's something I want to get better at. So yeah, I just want to hold it, let it run, let it learn. Okay, now I'm gonna drag down my take loss. Yeah, this baby's coming down. Come down. All right, what are we looking at? We might be looking at like 400 here. To be fair, we might be looking at 400 easily 400. Okay. What do we got? We got a new 2. We're pulling down. It's like we got 20 points coming up. 20 points out. Got 400. Oh, you're solely. It's selling off. Yo, let's see what the 15's got to say. 15. We're playing a dangerous game with the 15, though. I'm not gonna lie. But you know, patience is the game, and I am the student. So I gotta sit here and watch. Okay. We do have a new 5 coming up. So 400. It's looking like we might see 500 as well. 500 in the pending. All right, 500 pending. I think I'm gonna close this before the new 5 is created. Yeah. All right, so we did 165 first trade. The second trade, let's see. I think he's gonna sell a little bit more. I think. Ooh, maybe not. I mean, I think it might go up here as well. I think it might go up there. But also it kind of paused right there, so I think we could sell off, or, you know. The thing is, I'm in a good position. I could certainly hold if I want to, or sell. I kind of wanted to break this level though. I wanted to break this level ASAP, like now. Yeah, need you to break that level. 345. Come on. Really wanted to hold and just kind of see what we can do here. Let's go. Hit my TP. I'm gonna do that right there. Boom. Let's go for 700, bro. Come on, bro. Do this. We do this. So that's a cool, what, 850 right there. We're nice like that, bro. We're nice like that. I mean, this is so next time I would probably prefer to take this. Once I seen this trade, I would prefer to get in here, but I think I was just playing it closely. But overall, the momentum, like the 5, the fact that it closed below the 21 and the 9 EMA, and we had view up here. We had the pivot point right there. We broke below it. We had the 15-minute range, opening range right here, the high. And we broke below that, and we took the trade on the retest. So that's the key. That's the key thing, the retest. Retest, we took it, went for, down here. And let's not forget the main momentum. The main momentum has been bearish. As you can see, this has been a bearish move. It turned bullish, but overall it was bearish. Basically, that's really what it is, Could we see a sideways move here? Possibly going forward. But we took 2 trades, 2 bangers, and yeah, we were up 850. I think we did good. I know it's a paper trading account, whatever. I would have done the same thing on my PA account, on my eval account. I would have stuck with the same strategy. I'm applying the same strategy to my paper trading. It's just another day, and I wanted to get busy, I didn't want to not practice. Let's see what my live is saying. Man, I got nobody in my chat. All right. All right, looks like it's selling off. Now we're still trading. Let's see, the next pivot point is down here. We're breaking below this previous support area, so we would, you kind of want to see a full break below this 15-minute opening range, and then a retest, maybe come back, and then another pull down to this pivot point, or it just might go full throttle and just go all the way down there. So Yeah. But I like taking these retests right there. The retest of, the 9, the VWAP, and the 21. I like these retests, especially when they get rejected. I'm glad I got out because it's slowing down. Momentum's slowing down. Not too shabby. So what was that? Was that like a 40-point move? I want to know. Yeah, it must have been 40-point move. Cause yeah, I took it at 700. So I took it at 64. My entry point was 64. Alright. But the key thing is, what's the strategy? Might have been like 36 points. Yeah, I really didn't think I was gonna see that big of a move, to be fair. But yeah, I mean, this is a break of structure. I think that is the break of structure. Why am I questioning it? Yeah, it was a 36 pointer. So, yeah. Alright, well, now I'm just sitting watching. what I do here. Alright, we got a bearish flag right there. It looks like this is selling off here, man. We got a new 30, new 15. This is a new 15 is selling off. Look at the body of this candle. That's heavy on the south side, so. But you gotta be wary of these areas as well, you know. It's complicated. How the fuck did I put this up? Alright. Whatever. So as you can see, on the 1 hour kind of tells a different story. I wish I could just like zoom in. Like on Trade-A-Bit, you could just like click on it and zoom in. And I don't know how to do that on here. Indicate data window. Anyways, it's looking like it wants to sell off to this pivot point, to this support line down here. Will I take another trade? No, absolutely not. Why? Because I already took a low trade. Why ruin a good moment when I'm just practicing? I'm just practicing. I don't need to put extra BS into my game when I already got the sauce in the first 2 trades. You know? Honestly, I might regret this. I'm sure. Whatever, but in my short time of learning the trade, I have come to a conclusion that, you know, less is more. Less is more. Yeah, I still do. It wasn't that long ago, but I was taking like 45, 60 trades in a day in a matter of 4 hours, maybe. Yeah. Just ridiculous amount of trades, like unnecessary. But we all gotta go through it. We all gotta go through that learning curve, and we all learn at a different pace. And fuck, did it take me a long time to realize that. It took me a lot of time, money. Let's just say I have gray hair now. That's how bad it is. That's how long it took me. But yeah, I just hope that those lessons stick with me for a long time, and I could apply them not just in trading but in other aspects of my life. Alright, well, we traded Monday. Market closes in about an hour and a half, whatever. It's been dope. But I would like to do some other stuff in my life. Like go DoorDash. I gotta go work. I gotta go make money. You know, get that dash on. I also need to go to the gym today as well. That's on my goal. I need to get my lift on. I'm getting a little small. You know, but we'll be back. Anyway, man. Appreciate y'all for sticking around. It's JB. Hope hope somebody sees this and finds some value in it, you know? That's the whole goal. That's why I'm doing this. Well, that is because I want to provide value and so I can document myself. It's really me. I'm selfish. It's really for me. It's really for me. Me first and you second. Anyways, man.